Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the brand new 2019 320 Vantage. As you can see, the color on the sides, it's got the Abaco blue. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got the big hard top up there and the automatic shore shade up there. It gives you plenty of shade. And it's also powered by the brand new Mercury 300s. Brand new, much quieter, much lighter, just a much better engine. And let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 320 Vantage. Start at the back, real comfy seat, plenty of room for adults. If you're not using the seat and you want to fish, plenty of room there. We also have a really neat seat that does all kinds of things, lounges, frontwards, backwards, very cool. We also have the dive door here for getting on and off the boat really easily, and it's also good for bringing fish in. Got a good sized live well right here. Nice grill, cooking up the fish if you catch them. Up to the helm, we give you plenty of room on the helm. You can put two large GPSs up here, and then we also have the joystick. The joystick is perfect for getting sideways to the dock. It also gives you autopilot and also gives you sky hook, holds the boat in place. Fantastic option. Now, it also has a cabin for getting out if you just need to get out of the weather a little bit, take a little nap, take a little break. So it's a good sized cabin with real teak flooring on the bottom. Got a seat that goes up and down. Got a nice sized head with vacuum flush in it. So plenty of room in there with a skylight, so not claustrophobic at all. And then lastly, we've got a real big sun pad area here. This is a pillow cushion, big lounges, but plenty of room up here. The boat does everything very, very well. Rides fantastic. So if you'd like more information to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.